Welcome back, guys. Sean here. Today's shave will be a little bit different. I'm usually a straight razor shaver, but today it's my day off, and I just want to touch grass with my, I guess, ancestors and family. And I have some items here that remind me of them, and so I'm going to be shaving with them. Let's start off with some backstory. This right here, this is a Merkur double-edged safety razor. This was the first shaving razor that I got from my father. It was actually his before he started shaving with electric razor. I know. And so, of course, I'm going to be using this. The blade on here is my own little touch. These are the Dovo blades. And also, another of my touches is using Master Soap's creation, Eros, God of Love. I just love that scent. By the way, what I was putting on my face was pre-shave oil by the brand Badger. And then here, I have this shaving brush. It says the Vulfix Old Original Shaving Brush Company. This is a Badger brush, and this was actually my great grandfather's shaving brush. He gave this to my uncle, and my uncle, knowing that I like straight razor shaving, he said, "You're gonna have more use than me." I don't know if this is a good shaving brush. You know, it might be a $2 shaving brush for all I care, but for me, this is the most valuable shaving brush that I will ever have in my collection, and it's because it's my great grandfather's shaving brush. And he was actually, nobody in my family other than me is a straight razor shaver, but he was actually a straight razor shaver, so it's been a while since I've used this. I was never really proficient. Hopefully my straight razor shaving skills help me out. Plus, look how small this Merkur is. I think there's bigger ones that come with bigger handles. But let's go for it. These Dovo blades are very comfortable. So I can see why my great-grandfather used that brush. I mean, it's so comfortable. It's like you're getting a massage. I don't know, it feels like I imagine him being in Germany in his bathroom and just shaving like I am right now. In his case, he would be using a straight razor. And for the most part, so would I. doing this with a straight razor is a lot more difficult against the grain. So I don't know, I'm pretty sure it's this this Dovo. It's a new one, the Dovo razor blades, but they're pretty mild. They feel really comfortable, but I can tell that is not as close as it would be with a straight razor. But my Astra blades do get me closer than most straight razors. I would love a bigger handle. I don't know how fast that was. I'm pretty fast with a straight razor. I think one of my fastest shaves was like 2 minutes and like 50 or 2:30, 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So I don't know. I'm also pretty new to DE. I say new, I used to do it all the time, but I never really grasped it. Right. Subtle Art Soap Company, Bay Rum Scent Aftershave Splash. Veteran owned. Oh yeah. So that was my shave with gear from my my dad, my great-grandfather, my own little twist on some things. It's good trying to connect with your roots. What about you guys? Do you guys have gear from your great-grandparents, your grandparents, your father? Let me know in the comment section below, because I always read and reply to everybody's comments, so make sure you leave something out there, and I wish all you a good rest of the week. So have a good one. Peace.